Model 2006 Ford Tran Connect L200 TDSWB runs spares and repairs, needs a turbo. Body white, panel van. Mileage 202,674. MOT the 22nd of February 2025. Engine 1753 cc 1.8 L TDCI. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 4 former keepers, wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.